Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Motor Beast. As you can see, this is the old version of Innova. So you can see here the Innova black color. As you can see here, this is the engine of the vehicle. This is a diesel engine, 2.5 liter engine this is. So you can see the massive air filter here. This is the biggest air filter in all over the cars. And friend, you can see the off the market grill. The sound is big. I will off the engine and you can see the lights. These are the old version engine. So you can see the fog lamps here, the cut design. This is continue as still today of the Innova Crysta. So as you can see the complete grill of the front, this is off the market grill. As showroom you will get the plastic two-way grill, and you can see the big size of bumper here. And let's go to see the engine boot, how the big it is. And let's go to side tire profile. The tire profile is 16 inches tires. These are very small tires, we can say, not so small. As you can see, all our Innovas are over the same size of tires, 16 inches tires. Indicator badge here, side indicator. This is the old version, so it's a retro finish. You can see the chrome finish. This is also off the market, you won't get like this. And you can see the side profile of the Innova, how large it is. Great and sexy version, and I like the second generation of this Innova because the pickup, the sound, the comfort, this is excellent in Innova, we can say. And let's go to the rear. As you can see here, so this is a boot. I don't know how much liters of boot this is, so this is a boot size of the Innova. And the covering of the boot is nice finishing. Hard power plastics, but it's okay. Toyota badge, silver plastic finishing. Toyota Innova badge, 2.5G. This is a G version, G variant. Here you can see the spare wheel, and there is a silencer. How big the silencer is! Like it's looked like an hole of going for rats. So let's go. This is the tail lights. And these are the, I mean, old not new tail lights of the market again. And here is a petrol lid, and you can see the silver line finish complete over. So this is off the market again. The many of the off the market accessories on this car. So this is a foot rest. This is also off the market. There is no alloy wheels and anything plates, tire plates, etc. These are the original drums. And both the four are the drum brakes, no disc brake. And let's go to rear seat. So as you can see here, the door, the piano finish of door holder, and you can see the power windows and the door holder. This is look like cloth, but it's a plastic. Good plastic quality. Whole version also a good plastic quality. You can see the speakers, one bottle holder, some stuff to keep the newspapers, etc. papers work. So these are my luggage going to tour. So you can see the seat cover. This is also off the market. Many are there in the off the market in this vehicle. Let's go in and see. So you can see this seat is completely pushed back towards me. And the comfort, you can see the space which is, so the comfort level is superb in Innova. There is no other competition to this Innova in XUVs. So let's on light and show. So you can see here the comfort level. Under thigh support is also good, and headroom is large enough to me, and three people can comfortably sit together. There is big space here, and transmission came here. AC vents are not there in this variant. This is the second generation of Innova, so there is no AC vents in the hub and sides, only front. You can see 4 AC vents. Rear there is no AC vents, and moreover magazine holder, and seats are very comfortable, and cushion is also good in this vehicle, as you can see. So this is a third row of the seats. You can see I can't go now because very difficult to go. So ORS, there is ORSL, someone juice. So you can see the space of the, this is only for children seats. There is no adult can sit in the seats, so it's difficult to sit the adults. But short journeys you can sit for adults, but long journeys there is no option at all. And you can see here the holder here, Windows are large enough, you can say, because the windows are very big and ventilation feeling is cool, and the overall the vehicle from the inside is look like feeling like a open air car, we can say, because the overall glasses are being big, so ventilation is good in this vehicle. And you can see there is no center armrest, there is no cup holders, nothing, AC vents, etc. This is a second generation of the Innova, Toyota Innova. So let's go to front seats. So as you can see here, the doors of the front, here you can see the power windows buttons, child lock system and power window single control. There is no electric adjustable seats. Manually adjustable seats are very hard. And you can see the finishing of the doors, quite good, not so bad as expected. The antenna is here, it is not working at all. So as you can see, as same 4 doors are same. So let's sit inside and see. So you can see here, very large space, you can keep anything stuff on this. So as you can see this, there is very large space here, and something brandless sanitizer, and you can see one cup holder. I kept the phone, you can keep phone holder also. The front seats are very comfortable in this and let's on and see. This is 8-inch touchscreen and also off the market. So we won't get the touchscreens in those generations, second generation, first generation. So this is off the market and it is not working at all, anything. So I can't show your speakers sound system on this, sorry for that. And let's see the glove box, decent enough size, not so small, not so big, average. The finishing of the dashboard is very difficult to design this dashboard. I like the dashboard of Innova all our generations. Till today in Innova Crysta, we can see the continued line of dashboard, which is the highlights of Innova signature of, we can say, signature of Innova in one word. So here you can see auto dimming inside, manually adjustable, and there is one video. This is also off the market LCD TV, so it is not working. Time here, LED lights not working, a completely setup is not working at all. I think this car is going to scrap because it is not at all anything working, only engine is working on this. So the color combination, you can see it is light chocolate and creamy color, and hardware plastic, but the plastic quality is overall good. And here you can see instrument cluster, RPM meter, speedometer, fuel gauge, heat up gauge, and trip A, trip B, odometer. And you can see here seat belt, engine switch, handbrake, battery, etc. Oh god, it's raining. So overall you can see the basic variant it is, but also getting advanced features, not so advanced features, sorry, basic variant. The price of the segment is very high, Innova always. So this car around on those days, he said me 12 lakhs vehicle it is. And overall you can see there is no lights here, no mirror, no lights. There is some belt to keep toll tickets. And here you can see AC vent, manually adjustable, only one, heat up system or AC vents. And here you can see charging socket and rain wipers here, rain wiper adjust. So overall you can see there is no Bluetooth, no aux, no nothing. So you can see the attraction of the car is gear. What is this gear rod? Is looking like DCMs and trucks gear rod. You can see in those olden versions this is a gear rod of Innova. So I like this gear rod overall because not over the looks, but I like the design, and it's coming up from the down to up. You can see rubber finish here. So as you can see, nothing to say in this interior in this Innova. So this is a key of the Innova. You can see this is a remote control, it is not working at all, manually you should be doing. And parking switch here, AC on off here, and nothing. 4 AC vents front, and overall nothing more to say in this Innova. So let's go and drive test how performing the Innova second generation.